kind of interesting. This is a dry cleaning shop. It actually still has, all the equipment and stuff in it. It had a minimum bid of $11,000. Ended up selling for $30,000. It has an assessed value of about $78,000. And I'm guessing market value that's going to be over $100,000.
Really, the way you would judge this property as far as its real value, and if we were to buy this property, what we would probably do is completely clean it out. And there might be some value in the stuff that's left. What we'd have to do with any of that personal items is we'd need to go ahead and send out a certified letter to the past owner, giving them a time frame. Many times it could be between 14 to 30 days to have the stuff cleared, set up a time with you to open it up to them. And then at that point, if they didn't, then you're free to get rid of it. But really, this would be a great property to redo into office space or into retail location or something like that. And then
just make it more flexible.
Get a tenant, and then sell it as an investment property. Then if this rent is renting out for $2,500, or let's say you do offices renting, for $3,000 a month, that's going to be a lot more than $100,000 in value when you go to resell it.
Yeah, it's true. It's a way that you could really increase your investment on this.